Join me as I take on the challenge of starting an online business from scratch and see if I can regain my freedom while sharing the journey with you. Imagine having the freedom to live life on your own terms, to pursue your passions, and to earn an income that's not limited by the number of hours you work. That's what an online business can offer, a chance to break free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job and create a lifestyle of true flexibility and financial freedom. We've all been there, stuck in a job that sucks the life out of us, with long hours, stressful deadlines, and a constant feeling of being undervalued and overworked. We dream of having more time to spend with our loved ones, to pursue our hobbies, and to travel the world. But it seems like an impossible dream. And to make matters worse, job security is a thing of the past, with companies downsizing and restructuring at the drop of a hat. All this leaves us feeling trapped, with no clear way out. The truth is, most of us are living paycheck to paycheck, with no clear financial safety net to fall back on. We're one medical emergency or car breakdown away from financial disaster. And even if we do manage to save a little, the returns on our investments are often meager, leaving us wondering if we'll ever be able to afford the lifestyle we truly desire. But what if I told you there's a way out of this cycle of drudgery and financial insecurity? What if you could create an income stream that's not limited by your physical presence, that can generate revenue 24/7, and that can be scaled up or down to suit your needs? That's what an online business can offer, a chance to take control of your financial destiny and create a life of true freedom and flexibility. When it comes to online businesses, there are many options to choose from, each with its own set of benefits and challenges. You could start a dropshipping business, where you partner with a supplier to sell their products online without having to hold any inventory. Or you could try your hand at affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. Or if you have a talent for creating digital products, such as ebooks or courses, you could sell them online and earn passive income. The beauty of online businesses is that they can be run from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection. This means you can work from a beach in Bali, or from the comfort of your own home, or even while traveling the world. The possibilities are truly endless, and the potential for earning a passive income is vast. Take the story of Sarah, who was working as a marketing executive in a traditional 9-to-5 job. She was earning a decent salary, but she was stuck in a rut, with no clear way out. So she decided to take the leap and start her own online business, creating and selling digital products. It wasn't easy, of course. There were many late nights and early mornings, and many times when she felt like giving up. But she persevered, and within a year, she was earning a 6-figure income and was able to quit her job and live the life she truly desired. The key to Sarah's success was her willingness to take action, to learn new skills, and to adapt to new situations. She didn't let fear or doubt hold her back, and she was determined to succeed no matter what. And that's what you need to do too. Take the first step, take action, and be willing to learn and adapt as you go. In conclusion, starting an online business is a chance to regain your freedom, to earn a passive income, and to live a life of true flexibility and financial security. It's not going to be easy, of course. There will be challenges and obstacles along the way. But if you're willing to take the leap, to learn and adapt, and to persevere, the rewards can be truly life-changing. What do you think about online businesses? Do you have a passion or a talent that you think could be turned into a profitable online business? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about getting started with an online business, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies for getting started.